Hey, what's cracking, everybody? Today I'm taking a look again at BlueStar Linux. They just released a new release of their system, so I figured I'll take a look at it again to see how it installs this time. And it appears that everything installed correctly this time. However, I'm not seeing the other things that are supposed to come on the desktop, like the con key and like the file manager over here. As you saw during the installation, there were some sections where the installer went into a another script and it was installing other software. So you just got to be patient with it and give it some time, and then it'll do what it needs to do. And this time it did it. It did have a few errors, but eventually it did fix itself. So I was just patient with it and I waited for it, and everything installed correctly. The errors went away, got it all fixed, and the installation completed without any errors. But I'm still not seeing the things that are supposed to be on the desktop. But you know what? Let me just let's open up Firefox and let's see. Let's go to BlueStar. Okay, BlueStar Linux download. So let me make this bigger. All right. Says BlueStar Linux is an Arch Linux based distribution built with an understanding that people want and need a solid operating system that provides a breadth of functionality and ease of use without sacrificing aesthetics. BlueStar is offered in three editions: Desktop, Desk Pro, and Developer, each tailored to address the needs of a variety of Linux users. BlueStar can be installed permanently or as a robust and fully configurable operating system on a laptop or desktop system, or it can be run effectively as a live installer and supports the addition of persistent storage for those who choose not to perform a permanent installation. Okay, so what I mean about the desktop icons and the conky and stuff is right here. These are project samples. As you can see right here, you got your home directory and all your folders right here that are supposed to appear in this corner, and then you have this conky right here. But none of that seems to be showing up here on this installation. So I did install the Desk Pro version. Uh, Last time I installed just the regular desktop. So yeah, no telling what went wrong or why it's not showing up like this. But anyways, we got it installed. So I just wanted to show you this real quick. Um, yeah. All right, let me close this. All right, so this is a Blue Star. Uh, yeah, everything seems to be working, no problems. It's very colorful. Nothing's changed as far as last time, as far as all the colorfulness. Um, yeah, it is the KDE Plasma desktop environment. So let's look at the system. See where's the. Let's open up the terminal. Make this bigger. All right. You can see right here we are on BlueStar Linux. Host name BSLX 8664. It is running the latest kernel. All right, and it installed with 2,212 packages. It's using 1.5 gigs. Alrighty. All right, so last time when I installed BlueStar, it didn't ask for a password whenever I tried to install something. So let's test that out right now. So I'll install Nemo. All right, and yeah, we get that pop-up window again. It's right here, and it's kind of hard to see. But the window right here does pop up, and it doesn't ask for a password when you install software. And that can be dangerous, for numerous reasons. But nonetheless, it still installs the software you need to use. So I just installed Nemo. Let's go ahead and run it. All right, yeah, it installs, no problems. All right. And it still has these directories, the Kev's phone and Dropbox, which I blocked out last time. And you can see that all the directories are errored out. So let's say like on home, if I click on it, I am on home. Let's go to desktop. All right, desktop just shows empty. Downloads, could not find. It's looking for home and Mr. Green. So he needs to fix his bookmarks, because his bookmarks on here, they're all pointing to, I guess, his system. Because you can see right here where it says Kev's phone and Dropbox. So same as last time, you just go into config, go into GTK dash 3.0, and then go into bookmarks. And from right here, I'll open it with Kate. And what I'll do is I'll just remove these because these are all wrong. Save. All right, so now everything does work properly. All right, yeah, just something to note from the developer. He needs to fix his bookmarks because it's pointing to his personal system, I'm assuming. And there seems to be an error with the icons. I can see all these error marks. You don't really know what it is until you mouse over to find out what each button is. So hopefully someone can pass that info along. All right. So as far as that, let's look at see what all is on here. Under development, you got quite a bit of tools on here, so it is pretty stacked. Under education, you got mathematics, science. Under games, you just got card games. Under graphics, you got pretty much everything you need for graphics. Help, you got your help center, info center, QT assistant. Internet, we do have Firefox. You got Blue Sky, MegaSync. Yeah, you got quite a bit of stuff on here. For multimedia, pretty much everything you need under the sun. You got VLC, SM Player, KMix, Cheese, Bracero, Audacity. You got your full Office suite along with extras. System comes with quite a bit of stuff. So you see right here. So there's a lot on here. Most of it you probably won't use anyways. Under utilities, you got another load of a lot of stuff. And you also have a lost and found, and then you have your power session. All right, so like I said, everything installed correctly. There were no issues. There were some issues, but they eventually fixed themselves and everything installed. But we still didn't get this right here, that the file layout and the conky menu. I'm wondering if a reboot will fix that. Let's try that out. We'll do a quick reboot. Okay, so yeah, after a quick reboot, we still don't get these the folder managers are supposed to appear here in the conky menu. But all right, let's take a look at this dock right here. We have help, log out, drop to share, LinuxHub, shortcuts, system settings, Pigeon, Chromium, Firefox, Thunderbird, FileZilla, LibreOffice Writer, VLC Media Player, GIMP, Console, Dolphin, and your show desktops. All right, well, they just had an update, so and everything installed correctly. So, well, it was supposed to install correctly, but it is what it is. Let's go to Distrowatch. All right, and you can see right here on Distrowatch, they just released it, so it's 12/19. Right here it says 12/18, so yesterday they released it. Alrighty. All right, you guys. Well, just want to take a quick look at it. Yeah, see, like this right here on this image right here, you can see where you have this folder layout, but I also don't see no conky on here. And this, from what I see, it says right here, BlueStar Linux installer. I had to search to find the installer. So this is from the live CD itself, this image. But yeah, I didn't see none of this. Maybe because I'm on a virtual machine, that's why I'm not seeing it. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? But anyways, if anybody's interested, I'll leave the links down in the video description. That way you can play with it if you want. But yeah, I just wanted to take a look at it again because last time we had errors and it pretty much, it looked the same. Everything looks the same as last time. Nothing really changed as far as its appearance. And I just wanted to see if the update actually fixed it to where we get the conkeys and the the folder layout going on right here. But nah, still not here. But like I said, it could be just because I'm on a virtual machine that this is why it looks this way. But hey, who knows? All right, well, this is just another look at it. Since they just released an update, I wanted to see if these would show up. But I don't know. Who knows? Maybe you'll have better luck. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video you just saw, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, by all means, give it a thumbs down. And that's going to do it for this video. And I'm out.